calçada da igreja de São Lázaro, Fondando Serrão. Going down calçada da igreja de São Lázaro, streets of Macau, those damn beautiful streets of Macau. Just going down calçada da igreja de São Lázaro. Ah, ga, 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 ga. Going down calçada da igreja de São Lázaro, those old streets of Macau, those damn beautiful streets of Macau. Just going down calçada da igreja de São Lázaro.
Okay, we're in Macau. We're in somewhere called Calcada de Igreja de Lazaro. So there's the sign right there. We're going to put it up on the map, and we'll also just kind of take a look briefly at some of the stuff that's around us. And we're in this Lazarus district. And there's some artwork over there. Calcada. Calcada. So okay, so we're gonna go down that way. I think I might start behind me because the street starts a little bit back there. All right, let's put this up on the map. Okay, we got another slice of Macau for you. Let's put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. Without further ado, let's just get right into it as if you're there yourself. Another slice of Macau. So there's our street, Calcada. It actually goes up to Kyungwoo Hospital that way. Usually I try to do the whole street, but there's a 7-Eleven and a big circle up there. I guess I kind of started more at the in the middle. We have these beautiful yellow buildings everywhere on both sides. This one right here has a lot of artwork, so they'll have showings. Actually, this whole building is filled with artists and their work, and then there'll be other stuff as well coming through. Exhibition. Down there is the social services, that blue one. Kind of a nice bright blue. Okay. So this will be where we're gonna go down, and let me just capture the sign. There we go. This is beautiful. Okay, so it looks like we can, there's a lot of stuff along the way in here. Let's just take a look into this one real quick. It's actually open 11 to 6 p.m. And yeah, if you go in, you can see a lot of, I think they probably have it ongoing, but there's a lot of art in here, and then you can sneak out into the balconies and beautiful trees in Macau. I guess that's called a Sigium Jambos. Then you can overlook this beautiful courtyard as well. We'll walk into that as well. Yeah, that's a beautiful image right there. And there's an art exhibition called Void and Substance by Josephine. This is kind of cool artwork right here. The Joy of Fate. Fate. Kind of cool. You see lots of different stuff in here. I guess I can see a head, two heads, one leading on the other one. Fate. So I guess that's there's a lot of meaning you can take to it. Seats. He's sitting in love. Lots of different interpretations. 1925. When I first saw that piece, I thought it was that year. So it's like, so you can get like listening. Okay, so let's go down. So yeah, this is in an area called Lazarus district, and that particular building said 1925. Right now it's 2026, so that is 101 years ago. Exhibition. Okay, let's go down further. Got our tiled streets here, and then we will walk into this courtyard as well. So yeah, Lazarus district, I believe, well that sign said 1925, so I think some of these will have something around that time period, about 100 years ago. Macau is quite a bit older than that, but this area was an area that they built when they were spreading out Macau. So originally it was down near Sabala ruins and Sentinel Square, kind of historic heart, and then later they this would have been part of China actually. So they kind of spread out up the isthmus. This is a very, very good restaurant. I believe the owner is from Hong Kong, and I guess he loves Macau, so he's collected a lot of artwork and things from Macau and has his own restaurant. And that restaurant is definitely one that people should go to. Really nice inside. How beautiful that is. And then right in front of us, and capture some of the beauty here. This is a wishing well right in here. So they used to have to get some fresh water, but nowadays they have freshwater reservoirs. Okay. We'll keep on moving down. Let's see what this one is. Got a, let's see, Portugal. Okay, so we're gonna keep on walking down. I believe this turns into a different street. 40th anniversary. So there's our street sign. And yeah, keep on going down. So we're gonna keep on going down. So we have another street called Rua de Eduardo Marquez. We have our street that keeps going down. We also have that one as well. Oh, this beautiful architecture right there. Okay. So let's keep on going down. It's really photogenic in here, so you'll see a lot of people with cameras everywhere. Okay. So here's another one, St. Roque Street. Okay, let's keep on going down. Another beautiful building. I think this is also about 100 years ago. So this whole area, I think it was built for leprosy. And then they later put the leprosy out in another location. And this one has different incarnations. I'm not sure what it is now. It keeps changing quite a bit. Beautiful trees. And then this one is Diocese San Jose. There's that beautiful building right there, right? So that building says 1918 at the top. So 1925 is the other one, up the hill a little bit, and this is 1918. Okay. Old phone booths right there. And I believe this is Macau Conservatory, so that's like for music. I believe the street's gonna end shortly. But this is a slice of Macau, kind of showing you the streets here. Calcada. Bolong. Joker Barbershop. They're expanding. They got a branch here. They have one in the Taipa village, and they also have one over by overlooking casinos, not too far from MGM on the Macau side. And I guess they have that one as well. And then this is actually a different street down this way. Yeah, I can't quite catch it because there's a truck that's waiting to turn, but that has a different name altogether. So we'll just highlight that real quick. So it turns into Almeida Street. And you can see the beauty of all these buildings as well. Okay. So that is another slice of Macau for people that want to see what Macau looks like. Now you know Calcada Day, so you can put that up on your Google Maps. Come right here. Check it out yourself. And also just kind of an interesting note, you can see an apartment building straight up that way. So we went up the hill, and then you can see some, it's kind of interesting that you can see some apartments up there. I can even see some people doing laundry way up on top of the hill. Amazing view. So anyways, that's a slice of Macau.